Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Datadog browser SDK for front-end monitoring, beginner guide step by step clearly. To install the Datadog browser SDK for front-end monitoring, start by creating a Datadog account if you haven't already. Visit the Datadog website and sign up for an account. Once you have your account ready, go to the Datadog dashboard. From the dashboard, navigate to the Integrations section. In the Integrations page, search for Browser to find the Browser SDK integration. Click on the Browser SDK integration to access the installation instructions. You will find two options for adding the SDK to your project, via NPM or via a CDN link. If you choose to use NPM, open your terminal and navigate to your project directory. Run the command npm install save a datadog/browser rum. This will add the Datadog rum SDK to your project. If you prefer to use the CDN method, copy the provided script tag. Then, paste it into your HTML file, ideally in the head section. Next, proceed to configure the SDK. You'll need your Datadog application ID and client token, which can also be found in your Datadog dashboard under the browser SDK integration. Once you have these credentials, you can initialize the SDK in your JavaScript code. Use the following code snippet as a reference: JavaScript import Datadog rum from @datadog/browser rum, datadogrum.init, application ID, your application ID, client token, your client token, site, datadoghq.com, service, your service name, version, 1.0, sample rate, 100, track interactions, true, replace your application ID and your client token with your actual credentials. Once the SDK is initialized, you can start monitoring user interactions and performance metrics. For additional configurations, refer to the official Datadog documentation. This ensures that your implementation is tailored to your specific needs. After the setup, run your application to confirm that the SDK is working properly. Check your Datadog dashboard to see if the data is being reported. With that, you're now set up to monitor your front-end performance using the Datadog browser SDK. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.